Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Nissan GTR versus E63s, which is better. We'll focus on acceleration, handling, comfort, tech, and ownership costs so you can decide which suits your needs. I'll walk through performance numbers, daily driving feel, maintenance realities, and true value for money. Stay tuned as I share fair pros and cons, practical buying tips, and clear takeaways to help you pick the right super sedan. I'll break down real-world performance so you understand how these cars feel on road and track. The GTR delivers launch control fury and instant throttle response, while the E63 offers effortless twin-turbo torque and refined top speed. Both cars have advanced AWD and brake systems, but their driving characters differ. One is raw and engineered for launch. The other balances luxury with brutal mid-range force. I'll translate specs into driving impressions you can trust. Quick recommendation: if you like cooking for drives or tracking fuel snacks, try leak-proof containers for easy meal prep and tidy trunks. They seal tightly, stack well, and keep sauces from making a mess during spirited drives. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car comparisons. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. We'll review ownership numbers so you can budget realistically for either car. Purchase price, fuel consumption, insurance, tires, and scheduled servicing create real yearly costs. The GTR can be cheaper to buy used but more expensive to upgrade, while the E63s carries higher base price and premium maintenance. I'll give estimated running cost examples, common repair items, and resale trends to help you judge long-term affordability and value retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.